Hey babe, good morning.
Good morning. I'm not really sure what we're doing up so early, but it just happened to be that we got attacked by bin chickens.
Yeah, bin chickens.
Millions and millions of bin chickens attacking our campsite. Yeah. It is the bin chicken zoo here, behind the fence. Get out of here, you little shit. We might see one big lizard today. It's actually called a goanna.
Iguana. Lizard.
Not an iguana.
What is it?
Goanna.
Goanna. Iguana.
Iguana. No, an iguana is something else.
Iguana. Look at this dinosaur.
Iguana.
Iguana.
No. Oh,
Okay guys,
Dana.
don't get aggressive. Did you hear the noise? Look at this one.
A little bit aggressive. We might leave him alone.
I've got amazing concept. Yes, yes.
So what's the concept you've got there?
Mushrooms, I've got bacon, I've got avocado, chicken breast, bread, eggs, and we're going to make breakfast on the beach.
It's recording.
He's recording. It's recording.
It is too.
Should we make coffees first
I think we should.
or the breakfast? Cutie port here. I love it. Let's make coffees first.
Coffee, surf, coffee, surf.
Coffee, breakfast, and then serve.
Alright. This is very cute. This is very romantic, isn't it?
It's very romantic. I
See?
love it. I heard the noise of the wild chickens, roosters, whatever it is. Very naughty. They're picking up the people's and us, the popcorns, the chips, everything. They didn't let anything. They was jumping on top of the tables. Rebellious. Bloody chickens.
Little devils, huh?
Little devils in the morning. Like that. Alright, now the pan.
Are you reading your star sign in the pan or?
What? No, babe.
I am Capricorn.
You know what? I saw a hair. I think I saw a hair.
Tell me your future in the olive oil.
It's looking good.
Do the yardies, do they? Oh, whale! I saw a whale! I saw a fucking whale! I saw a whale! Oh my god, whale! Whale! Look! Over there, babe!
There's a
Babe,
whale.
right over there, there's a whale!
That was
yes.
a whale! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's jumping now!
Oh my god, there's a whale!
It's
But I
huge.
can't get it with this freaking lens, it's too small.
Oh my god! We just saw a whale!
Yeah, go on.
Can't believe it! It was so amazing,
What
big,
was?
huge. The whale! Oh my god! So exciting! Let's go because the fried pan is gonna be on fire.
Whales! Some mushrooms in the morning. We love our mushrooms.
I love it, yeah, we do. Mushrooms, eggs, avocado, bacon. Where is it? My favorite one. Yeah. Ella, maybe the whales, they're gonna smell
Can't
the
believe-
beautiness and they come for
Yeah.
breakfast.
I can't believe that we got to see the whales jump.
Yeah.
Where? I could see it, they were right just out there.
I saw it, but I thought
I can
it was
still
alive.
see them, but unfortunately we just...
Too far. This is the best breakfast in my life.
Whales, mushrooms,
The beach.
eggs.
Yeah.
We've got eggs,
I'm gonna put our
we've
bacon.
got bacon, we've got mushrooms, we've got whales, we've got coffee. Does it get any better than this, guys? I don't know.
You reckon?
I think what we're gonna do today, we're gonna have breakfast here. then either I go for a surf, which it looks pretty good. Not amazing, but it's maybe like, you know, a couple of foot. So I might go for a surf, and then after that we'll go in exploration. Or you want to go in and eat some mussels? What do you reckon? Do you want to go into town and have some mussels fresh mussels?
Definitely. We bought last time when we was here. We bought some beautiful mussels.
Yeah, we
fresh,
did.
With lemon, and we ate around 10 of each. Remember?
Yeah.
It was the best.
They were good, but they weren't as good as the ones in Tasmania. Tasmanian oysters were the bomb, man.
Yeah,
so if you
and
ever go to Tasmania, you've got to try the oysters because they were freaking unbelievable.
Soggy wet.
Oh no.
What's happening?
What happened? That's the problem with camping, you see. Everything gets soggy. And especially when you're sleeping in a tent, a $40 tent from Kmart, condensation is ripe. So all your stuff ends up getting wet. Hey?
Everything was getting wet. Look at this.
Even your
Soggy.
bread, even your
Even
undies.
your bread, look. It's so soggy.
It's sad little bit of bread, isn't it?
Sad little bit of bread.
Maybe we can put it on the cooker and dry it out.
Yeah.
Maybe only if we had the air fryer, hey?
Yeah. Oh well, we can't have everything in this life.
Plug it into the wood.
Plug it in with the wool. I want a little bit of this.
I would much prefer this
Can't
over an air fryer at home. Anyways, we didn't even end up liking the air fryer, did we?
No.
It's totally shit in the
Totally
end.
shit.
Because everything tastes the same. So. Oh wait. Thank you though.
It's dry.
I thought it was wet, and now it's dry. Is that what you said?
The front ones.
Oh, the front ones. Don't pull my front ones.
What do you want to say now? The
I'm
slowest.
never mad.
Yeah.
A slower person in my life.
You
Hurry
are
up.
the slowest. Yeah, but I'm the one that I'm cleaning up around. You're sitting there and says to me, hurry up.
I'm burning. I'm so hot. Why are you putting those on?
My hair too much. Why are you wearing shoes?
Because of the, what are they called?
Pickles.
No, they're not. Pickles.
How you call
What are they
them?
actually called?
Sprinkles.
Bindi.
Binders.
Bindi eye.
So here, actually, he forgot his keys inside the car, and actually we have no battery. We ran out of battery, and look at you.
So, we have a bit of a situation last night. Left the keys in the ignition, couldn't find them this morning, came to the car and the car's dead. Now, I've done this little setup. I think it's completely wrong. I don't know what I'm doing. But look, come here.
That's the last time that you have the keys.
We've got a
as I
light on.
said.
We've got a light on. That might mean something. So all of this whole setup was about $200 from Kmart. Generally they're about $1,000, but we got a really good deal, I think, and that's probably why it's not working. It's a lot better. Hang on.
Oh,
We're getting there. Just give it a moment. We'll get it. So it's a bit of a trial and error situation, this one. So I've tried 3 different techniques. One of them I completely melted these things. I completely melted it off
I didn't even see that.
So that was one down. Second one, I lost this thing. So that's the second one down. Now this is the third one. I used these ones. That did nothing at all. And fourth one, I'm trying this, and I think this might work. I think we might be on here.
And obviously, guys, the thing that he put here, the little battery, didn't work.
I'll take that one off there.
And thanks God, we have a very good people over
Let's go
here,
on.
and they help us. Thank you.
That's okay. Good luck, guys.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it. Awesome.
So, where are we? In the most beautiful, delicious place, fresh shop.
Babe, I look really good in that video, don't I? What's it
From
called?
the ocean. I think it is Graham?
Yeah.
Barclay.
Oysters.
Oysters, fresh. Let's get some and let's have some shot of ouzo. Because oysters with ouzo, it goes perfect.
Okay.
Let's go. Look at this. Oysters, fresh and deliciousness. Look at this, fresh. Let's put some lemonaki and let's have one glass of ouzaki. Cheers.
I like doing this one. You got to do this one. And mate,
One more to go.
and it's only $28 for these. Is that good? I don't know.
I think they're a little bit expensive, but then the best. So good.
How many do you reckon we can eat? Should we do a double oyster? Well, this one, the double oyster. Cheers.
Cheers! Can't wait. Absolutely delicious.
And if you don't like oysters, you probably will now after you come here.
But you have to check it out. So delicious.
Now guys, this is my favourite beach in the whole of Australia. It's called Salido Beach. Caught some pretty bloody good waves there here as well, so that's probably why I enjoy it.
So good, so good. I can't wait to see the beach and to cook maybe here. Well, to be honest, it's too late. It's 3:30,
Such a
almost
beautiful
4
spot.
o'clock, and we're not gonna cook here. Right. I'm pissed off because I love this beach. Okay.
So do you reckon the faster we go over these holes,
Then
the less it's going to shake the car, the easier it's going to be? Let's try it.
no, don't. I'm gonna be
Same. So what do you reckon? Do you think we found the spot?
I think we found the spot.
And I better start getting things out of the car, otherwise I'm going to get into trouble. Oh, look at this spot. You should have bought the table.
So good. So here I've got the barramundi. The
Ooh,
fish
say it
barramundi.
again.
The barramundi, the
Yeah.
fish barramundi, right? Here, look at this beautiful fish. Beautiful, thick and fat fish. I love it, and the skin. We're going to put salt to the fish. Good amount of salt. Pepper, good pepper.
Oh, hello.
I love putting a little bit of thyme. The thyme has the flavor of the like a lemony. I love it. So a little bit of thyme. And actually I will spray so they can stick together a little bit. I will give it just a little bit massage. And here we're gonna put a little bit of rosemary in our flour to aromatic with a little bit of thyme, right? That's all we need. Romantic fish. We stick it in the bowl, shake it a little bit. Doesn't need any egg. We don't want to deep fry it too much. We want to saute it like the fish that we catch the other day and shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Lovely. Look at this beautiful place. Look at this beautiful place. We cook fish on the beach. That's it.
Oh,
Hi, buddy. What's happening? You want food? What can I give you? What can I give you? I'll give you a little bit of chicken breast. You want? Look at this fish. This is cooked. Perfection. Little broccolini in to saute it and cooked it together. Lemon. The delicious fishes. Look at this! Absolutely delicious. The barramundi is absolutely incredible. Look at this! Woo! Thanks God for everything. The skin.
some broccolini. Have a look at that. Oh, I just touched the screen.
Is it
Oh.
broccolini?
Come on, let's have some of this fish.
Oh my God.
That is honestly next bloody level. That is another day well spent cooking, relaxing in front of this beautiful view. Have a look at that, it's amazing.